Hello and welcome to this report on a recent and possibly ongoing malicious attack on the Pi-Fi platform. Over the weekend, a persistent attacker utilized a technique known as typo squatting to upload over 900 malicious packages from 39 separate user accounts containing malicious payload disguised through obfuscated variable names using Chinese characters. The attacker targeted trendy packages by publishing packages that closely resembled their names, hoping that a user would mistakenly install the attacker's code instead. The malicious code would then execute and install a browser extension that would give the attacker control over the victim's clipboard. This allowed the attacker to replace copied crypto wallet addresses with addresses under their control. It is noteworthy that all the user accounts involved were created on November 4, 2022, which suggests a planned and coordinated attack. This is not the first time we have seen the threat actor targeting their victims' crypto wallet addresses and performing their attacks over the weekend, aware that security teams and defenders may not be fully available during these times. Attackers use the technique of typo squatting to deceive victims into downloading and installing what appears to be a legitimate open source package, but is actually a disguised version of malicious code, which is why it is crucial to be cautious when downloading packages. The malicious packages were reported to the Python security team, which did a great job swiftly removing them. For additional details on IOCs related to this attack, and to stay up to date with the latest trends in tactics and software supply chain security, and learning how to defend against potential threats, follow us on our various platforms. Links in the description. Thank you for watching, stay safe, and see you next time.